Folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep. So let's get to it. Let's start off with our whale targets and our daily customer sentiment. Customers are still in the short to pop / somewhat neutral mode here, and we have a new lower target at 675. Obviously, everything is gapped down quite a bit overnight. So SPY is sitting at 684.88. We'll call it 685-ish as we look along. So whale target 695, 693, and then 675. Maybe we actually get a week where we don't see the lower or upper target disappear, and we get to see some larger moves. Jumping into our dark pools, one at 698.3. Mark that on your chart as an important point of price contention, and our largest on the ag walk up to 694.08. So it was down in this area here late last week, and then we moved up into this 694.08. So we've got a lot of build out here. We're below this right now, and we're actually below this one right now as well. We'll see how it all turns out overnight. A lot can change overnight, so we won't worry about it too much unless we are trading futes. All right, let's move on to our gamma and then get you out of here. We are sitting right around this area right here. Let me zoom in so we can see that a little better. So we had this big gap on Friday, 692 to 680. So that is our current range we are in, all right, on the ag. So if we get all the way down to 680 and we somehow hold, look for upside movement on net flow and a bunch of strong calls to see a move up. Largest pulls on the ag are up and to the right for right now, but we've had some days and some weeks where our largest didn't get visited quite that often. So 692 over that, we see 700. Below 680, we see 667. Really three massive ranges currently looking at the ag. Now let's check our daily for tomorrow, 121, and then get everybody out of here. Sorry, daily for tomorrow, 120, and then get everybody out of here. I am from the future. Apparently, tomorrow is the 20th. So jumping into the 20th, we are sitting below this already and really have room down to that 680 that we saw right there before, maybe even 675, which would be a crazy move down. So bulls want to recover all of this area here and get up into that 692 range. Really like the look of the ag a little bit better, just a bit more clean, but we still really have the same ranges, 680 up to 690, and then over that we see 699, 700 area. Up and to the right now at 693 is the biggest pull. So if we start to see a bunch of positive flow, and we start to move up quickly, keep that in mind right there. Pay attention to your zeros as well to make sure that we don't have a bunch of downside pulls overwhelming everything. And obviously pay attention to if we have bullish or bearish flow. All right, that is it for now. I really do like the look at the ag better. I would love to see some just nice coverage of this range this week. We'll find out soon enough. That is all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.